All right, y'all. Happy Friday to you. Made it another week, man. Let's finish this week off strong. Last trading day of the week. Finish up another week in the market. What is this? The 27th. So we got one more week to go for the month of December for the year 2024. Y'all know New Year's is next week on Wednesday. The market will be closed January 1st. Also have a half day on Tuesday, which will be what, December 31st. Market probably gonna close at 1 o'clock New Year's Eve. So just like this week here, next week gonna be a short week also. And then the week after we get to it, man, kids go back to school, start off the new week fresh. What it is, Donald Trump get in the office at what, January 20th or something? And see what the market really gonna do. See whether it's gonna pull back the way it's doing now, whether it's gonna climb and move forward, but we will see. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Give me y'all this game for free 99. Urgent news, buys and sells in the market. Yield Max ETF TSLY cover calls on Tesla, paying $1.68 a share. For y'all that do own and hold TSLY, ticker BTC. Bitcoin is coming on down. Not mistaken, it's at like $93. Well, 93,000. I'm sorry, we're at 94 grand now. It's climbing on back, but it's pulling on back. For y'all that do invest in that, y'all need to buy every pullback you can on Bitcoin. That's the time for you to accumulate. I don't have any. I sold mine at like 68 or 70 grand, somewhere there. But for y'all that want to buy it and move forward, this be a good time for you to buy and accumulate some. All right, let's get to it. Let's go and give ourselves a raise so we ain't got to go on strike. And I don't mean no harm when I say that. It's just, the truth. Stop depending on companies and other people to give you a raise. Invest in yourself and give yourself a raise. Plain and simple. All right, man. We're gonna go take an EFC 13 cent a share month dividend. Doing some fractional shares to cash up. Don't know where this market is headed, but we shall see. Y'all know, for people that trade with me every day, certain shares, the stocks I buy, whole shares of. All right, PFLT at $10.76 today. Well, $10.51. I'm sorry. About to say that's a huge difference. Gonna get a whole share of this. Want to give me 100 shares? Pay 10 cents a share a month. Make sure you put in extended hours. Actually thinking about doubling down on this one at 10.51. That's not a bad price there. I'm going to get 5 of these at 10.51. I like that price. Got a 52-week low of 10.28, 11.39% yield. That's PFLT. Got to go with ULTY. Y'all know this volatile, but it kick out dividends. Just reinvest the dividends. Get you 100 shares and reinvest the dividends. Like, I'm not cashing up, just doing fractional shares in this, but I buy a whole share of my Weaver portfolio. It's ULTY. Last month paid like 78 cents a share. We're gonna go PSEC, PSEC, Prospect Capital. I got a nice little list, man, today. The market coming down. The more it come down, the more gonna be on my list. Y'all pick and choose what y'all want to do. PSEC 425. Get a share of that. Matter of fact, I'm just going to do the $5 worth. I ain't tripping on that. Today, all right, PSEC. That pays. It did pay 6 cents a share a month. End up cutting their dividends, so it's 4.5 cents a share now. We're gonna go SDIV. I like this at 22 and under. It's below the $22 mark. Below the 21 now. These are dips you gotta buy. $3 worth of that. That pays like 19 or 16 cents a share a month. One of them. I think it's 19 cents, I want to say. AGNC, 12 cents a share a month. This is a REIT, real estate REIT. If y'all want to get into real estate, this is the easiest way without physically owning the property and dealing with all the headaches with it. I'll get $5 worth. Another one I want y'all to add on to y'all list, man. This pays a dividend of 33 cents a share. There's options on the S&P 500. It's like the most reliable and less volatile Yield Max ETF, which is SPIT. Another nice one to accumulate, especially on the $20 range. $5 worth of that. HRZN, Horizon Technology. It was down to $8.91 today. What's the low right now? $8.46. I'm gonna get $3 worth. Piece that together. That pays Horizon does 10 cents a share a month. Also, I'm gonna go Realty O. Y'all know this the favorite REIT here. I think it pays like 26 cents a share a month. Dividend yield like 6%. I want to say. Trying to accumulate that. That's a buy and hold forever stock. OXSQ. 3.5 cents a share every month. You know, I buy 3 shares of this every day. 245 is at today. This one I will be swing trading in the future also, so accumulating as of right now. The other one we got coming down, ARR. If you're gonna put a buy limit order in, I put it in at 1837. That's why I really like to buy a bunch of shares at. But right now, just accumulating, dollar cost averaging on in. Pays 24 cents a share every month. What other month when I got trying to knock out these monthly payers? You know, the rent due every 30 days. Utilities due every 30 days, not every quarter. So I try to stick to those. I do buy quarterly stocks too. You already know that. But 2347 TLTW, got to take advantage of this dip. Pays out monthly. Another one down, QQQY. I got $1 a day recurring investment. Got to take advantage of this dip. This pays out weekly. $5 worth of that. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give you. Let me see where this one at. I didn't follow ACP today. All right, this one pays out weekly. Did pay 10 cents a share a month. Now it cut its dividend of 0.775 cents. I like to buy this at 6 and under. It did dip, just got back above the 604 mark. High today 606. Aberdeen pays 10 cents a share a month. This one you got to buy it in another portfolio. Can't trade it in this one. Get your also right now ticker OPP. Put an order in for $8.29, which is a River North fund, and do its brother RIB at $11.60. Then that pay out like 12 cents a share a month. But all three of those you got to buy in another portfolio. Another one you can put with it is PRT, Perm Rock, Royalty Trust, waiting on my internet. Anyway, y'all, sorry for the hold up. Thought it was my internet, but seemed like I had to upload this Robinhood app again. Anyway, back to trading. Take a PRT, Perm Rock, Royalty Trust page. This month is paying out a strong dividend of 5 cents a share. Usually it pays out like 3 to 4. Usually it does 3, but sometimes it'll up it to 4 cents. Out of 12 months, it might pay 4 cents a month. Probably 2 to 4 times a month. But usually it does a regular, consistent 3 cents a share. This one is riding on its way up. As you can see, today's low is at 370, 374. Last couple of days, they've been on this move up. So that's the pattern for the last week. So this one here, usually, I swing trade it. I buy it at 380 and under, and I sell it between $4 and $4.05. But it did get down to about 340, 341 or something. It got down to a three something. But I was taking advantage of those at that time. Anyway, I buy 5 shares a day of it, just accumulating it. I get the dividend, and I swing trade it, and I keep the rest for the dividend, rinse and repeat. That's another one to keep on your list that I am trading if y'all want to get in on. I like to swing trade dividend stocks. So while I'm holding it, I get paid. Let's finish up here. See how this app going to move. It seems like it's lagging. Let's check out KHC. I think that was my last one for my monthly dividends. Let's go get some of these. This Kraft Foods, Kraft Heinz. Got to take advantage of this at these prices. It's accumulating, ain't loading up on nothing. Alright, that's KC. We're gonna do Nike. Nike coming on down. $3 Nike. Get some Starbucks carriers. This one definitely down today. Gonna double up, get $10 worth. Being that it's under the $15 range, you like get $3 to $5. Alright, that's everything on this. Let's do ChargePoint, growth stock. If y'all want to invest in the EV charging stations. I think this at 112 today. Yep. Notice accumulation stage. This here been trading in the sideways pattern for the last couple months. I buy it low and I like to sell it above the 120 range, rinse and repeat. Another monthly one came down. As I see, I know it was one I was missing. Is YMAX. This is Yield Max and ETF also at 17.23 today. I brought 6 shares today. I think 5 at 17.30 and one share at another price. But 17.23, I'm going to get $3 worth with y'all while we are on the live. All right, we got to go SCHD. You know this a buy and hold. This one here coming on down today. I got this on recurring investment at $1. This is just buy and hold. SCHD, MPW, Medical Properties Trust, 368. Got to get that at these prices, especially for a future swing trade. This is a REIT also, Real Estate Investment Trust. Get that up out the way. Get 2 shares at this price, especially under that $4 range. Another one just had an ex-dividend date, IVR. Y'all keep this on y'all list. Pays a dividend of 40 cents a share quarterly. This should go back around the $8 range. It's coming on down. This pays out quarterly, so you got to take advantage of this. I'm gonna definitely put some buy orders in at $8 even. Gotta go AQN. We're gonna go RC. Hit Ready Capital up. This one I'm buying one share of every day. 717 a day. Market cap 1.2 billion with a yield of 15.65%. Don't get it for that juicy dividend. Excuse me, while it's down to cheap. 717 for a share. Gonna go AQN. Told you had a nice list for y'all today. Buying a share of this every day. We got this as a whole. So buying and hold it, swing trade above the $6 mark. Collect the dividend while I'm holding. Make sure y'all put in extended. AQN. The other one I'm swing trading. Y'all stay out of this one. I'm already upside down. I'm going to trade myself up out of it. Just going to do a reverse stock split. So I'm telling y'all to stay out of it. It does pay a dividend, but I wouldn't prefer y'all to get into this one. SBSW, this is another one. Want y'all to stay out of. This is a precious metal company. After I trade up out of this, I'm gonna get up out of it. They real volatile now. This was a nice booming stock way back in the day. But right now, I would say no. 3.36. Get 2 shares. Right now, I'm accumulating for me to sell it. I'm gonna get above that. I want to make sure it's not 24 hours. Okay, just leaving extended 672. I'm gonna sell this above the $4 range. Another one I would say y'all to stay out of that I'm doing. So I'm giving y'all these last. RPT, unless you want to trade. These are what they might see a little volatile now. I'm going at RPT at $2.91. Here we go again. Sorry y'all, but once again I had to upload Robinhood app again. I don't know what's going on with it today, but I don't know. I'm trying to trade and get up out of this house, but it's holding my whole day up. So, all right, man. Rhythm back to trading. $2.91 going in. This one you can get in. I'll say stay out of it. It's better buys out there. Once I get out of it, I'm gonna probably just be out of it. 2 shares, 2.91. Alright. Gotta get through this list, boy. I got a long list. Trying to get my trades in so I can get up out of here. I'm MKTA. This is Ingles. It's a grocery store. They had bad earnings, miss earnings, so it's coming down. I already got my $3 worth. I get another 2 with y'all while I'm online. Alright, think anything else I'm missing? Got charge point. I'm gonna get CHMI. 267. This is another one I've been swinging. It's gonna go back past the $3 mark. I've been buying 2 shares of this every day too. Pays the dividend also. I'm also gonna get up out of. Once he start cutting the interest rates and stuff, this one is really gonna take off. The REITs and the BDCs, business development companies. All right, I think that's the last. I'm gonna give y'all 2 more dividend growth stocks. Y'all done got these. Ticker AES. It's a utility company. I don't have this in this portfolio, but you need to buy this. So buy it 13 and under. Dividend yield 5.37%. PE ratio 8.9 is under value with a market cap of $9 billion. 52-week high of 22.21. It's got an upside about $20 a share. I have sold this at like $19 a share. So yeah, that's another one. CVS, if y'all want to get into this, I wouldn't do it, but if you down in it, it's your time to accumulate. If you want to start a position in it, it's the best time to do it too. But I would actually go with Walmart. That stock just always goes up and never comes down. Always has good earnings. All right. As far as my list, that is everything. Let's go check our traps on the rest of the stocks in the market. We can get on out of here. You already know the day bullish. See if there's anything I missed. Didn't mean to hit you, but whatever. Just when these 20-minute videos come in, boy, this market is red. But it's a time for you to accumulate. See if anything else out here getting toe up. Toe up from the flow up. Another one to buy and hold is Telus. It's him and getting beat down a little bit too. $3 worth of that. Intel is another one. I know this probably got to be under the $20 mark. We're right at it. Might be another one I'm going to dump. But it's still one of the big dogs on the porch. Just got Nvidia and AMDs. Everybody just ripping them apart. So ain't trying to be overweight and, you know, chip stocks. AFCG getting ripped apart. It's another REIT, marijuana REIT. They rent out the warehouses to marijuana growers. IPR, another one. I need to go buy some of that. In my Cash App portfolio, they came down, had not bad earnings. Some people didn't pay their rents, so them taking a loss on that. I don't think the earnings ever went out. They just something came out in the news and everybody went to panic selling. All right, in my yield max section, so you know I'm at the end of my portfolio. This Y mag doing options on the Magnificent 7. Which I'm up, so not gonna bother it. AIYY down another 4.65%. Some of that. YBit was coming down, doing options on Bitcoin. That's why I physically don't own any, because I just buy the ETF instead. So I don't never have to worry about selling. Just hold it for the options. Got my SPIT, NVIDIA, QQQY, got that. IWMY is another one, a high yielder. Doing options on the Russell 2000, IWM. Get me 100 shares of that too. And just reinvest the dividends. Got QDTE, ODTE. These pay out weekly. I got $1 recurring into these. When they down, that's when I put some more money into them. Build up my 100 shares to this. That's ODTE. Well, that was QDTE, I'm sorry. This XDTE. I haven't brought any extra in a minute because I was always up in them. That's why I don't load up on them. Just slowly accumulate. Got an SCHD. YMAX, we did that. PayPal down, but I'm still up. Another one I started was York Water. You know, York Water is the liquid gold. So when this be down, I buy this here. Sorry for the long video, man, but there's some buys out here. And I know in this portfolio I got the most positions in this one. But you see I get dividends every day. So I'm not tripping on that. Got FEPI. You also got a heavy, strong yield. Well, that's a lot of money spending for the day, but it's all good. I get it back in dividends. But that's it, man. Signing off. Go get your money. Enjoy your weekend, man. Spend some time with yourself, your loved one, family and friends, man. I'm out. We'll post some videos for the weekend. Y'all stay safe. Go get your money.